Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to be looking at past attractions of Europa Park that only few people will remember. From a present day perspective, it may seem a little odd that some of those attractions actually did exist in the park, as they kind of contrast with what the park looks like today. And if you want to learn about those forgotten attractions, then just stay tuned. From what you can read in various internet forums, it appears that one of the most requested attractions for the future of the Europa Park is a drop tower. Yet, who would have thought that there actually was a time when there was a drop tower in the park, albeit for a very short time only. The year was 2002 when a giant structure was put up in the creek-themed area. People who went on this tower got to see the park from a very different angle, yet after just a couple of months at the end of the Halloween season, the tower disappeared and would not return. One of the most iconic roadside attractions is the infamous Mystery Spot in Santa Cruz, California, where visitors get to experience demonstrations that seem to defy gravity. During the late 80s and early 90s, Europa Park had a quite similar attraction to offer. It was called the Magic House. Here you could, for example, see how water seemingly ran up a gutter, or a broom that could stand on its own. In 1992, the attraction was replaced by the Mystery Hall, which used the same building that had previously accommodated the Magic House. For 1 year only, namely the opening year of Europa Park, people could visit the so-called Bear Theater. Little is known about this attraction. According to some reports, the attraction featured a couple of brown bear animatronics playing musical instruments. Apparently though, these bears did not seem to catch on. Yet a couple of years later, brown bears would return to Europa Park. The difference though was that this time around the bears were real. They had a little stage put up near the Great Lake where the bears would perform some tricks. The show was known as Rebag's Canadian Brown Bear Group. As over the years the show became more and more contentious for obvious reasons, the show was eventually cancelled. In the time following, there was another show performed on that stage featuring parrots and sea lions. Speaking of animals, in the early days the park kind of resembled a zoo anyways, as there were numerous animal enclosures to be found accommodating several farm animals. Another forgotten attraction is the NASA Space Exhibition. The first floor of the Sphere of the Eurosat roller coaster served as the location for this exhibition. The collection of space items encompassed, among others, genuine moon rock and a model of a spaceship. After just a few years, the attraction was closed to make room for the Universe of Energy dinosaur attraction. And that's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time.